Hello guys, welcome to this video when we're going to talk about the three types of personal zones: comfort, stretching and panic. In the previous videos you have learned what adventure education is, how to apply it and what it has been designed for. So let's continue with the zones. The model of the comfort zone is often used in adventure education context. It is based on the opinion that participants of the activity should be placed in challenging situation. This situation will move the participants from comfort zone to stretching zone, also known as growth or learning zone, and provide the participants an opportunity to develop new competencies. It means that during adventure education the participants are encouraged to move out from their comfort situation to challenge themselves and in this way to expand own limits. Putting the participants from the comfort zone is closely connected with deciding on the level of risk and challenge. Nevertheless, it is always important to pay attention to ensure safety of the participants and not put them in panic zone. To maximize safety, adventure professionals structure risk in a manner that causes participants to perceive this as being enormously high, while in actuality it is much lower than perceived, and more acceptable as a medium for producing functional change and growth. By responding to tasks, participants often learn to overcome self-imposed perceptions of their capabilities to success. Let's see how we can help participants better understand these concepts. To share this knowledge, you can use the photo visualization method. In terms of materials, you will need flipchart sheets or covered A4 papers and post-it notes. With these materials, create visually the diagram of the three zones. In terms of instructions, ask participants to work individually and come up with characteristics of every zone. Once the participants are ready, several small groups are created. The participants are asked to present their characteristics to each other and to prepare a presentation for other teams. After presentations, follows discussion on key characteristics shared by the teams. Participants discuss the similarities and differences. Questions to be asked during the discussion. What is important to know about your target group to be able to choose activities with appropriate risk? How would you encourage participants who are refusing to step out from his or her comfort zone? How would you calm down participant in panic zone? This is just an activity you can implement. If you want to learn more about activities that emphasize these concepts, check out the links below or download our brochure. Thank you for watching and it's adventure time!